Dear students, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. In this coordinate geometry, we will draw the graph in Cartesian plane, means XY plane. Now we are attending exercise 3.3, question number 1. In which quadrant or on which axis, quadrant or axis, do each of the points first, second, third, fourth and fifth lie? There are the 5 points. We locate the situation in quadrant or in axis. Verify your answer by locating them on Cartesian plane. Now after this we will verify the location of points by drawing a graph in Cartesian plane. First of all, given points are, first of all we will name these points. Point A -2 and 4, point B 3 -1, point C -1 0, point D 1 2 and point E -3 and -5. There are the 5 points which is given in our question. Point A, B, C, D and E. These are the 5 points. Now quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third and quadrant, fourth. There are the 4 quadrant. Now in quadrant first, we know that x and y both are positive. In second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. In third quadrant, they both are negative. In fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. So plus the point which having plus, no, yes, the point D. In first quadrant, the point D exists, 1 and 2. There are the both minus. Now we are searching minus plus, point A -2 4 minus plus, no other point. Now in third, both are minus, no, yes, the both are minus. So point E -3 -5. Now in fourth, plus minus, point B. So in first quadrant, point D exists. In second quadrant, point A exists. In third quadrant, point E exists. In fourth quadrant, our point B is exist. Now x-axis, when coordinate of y is equal to 0, then point lie on x-axis. Then point lie on x-axis. And who are the lie on y-axis? When coordinate of x is equal to 0, then point lie on y-axis. Now for x-axis we are searching y is equal to 0, y is equal to 4, y is equal to -1, y is equal to 0. Yes, here is y is equal to 0. So point C. On x-axis we are having point C. Y-axis, when x is equal to 0, x is equal to -2, 3, -1, 1, -3, no point, no any point, no any given point. So on y-axis there are no given point lie on y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, there are the 5 points, we will denote these. So this is our first answer. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points lie? Now second one, verify your answer by locating them in Cartesian plane. X dash, y dash, origin. This is our Cartesian plane. This is our Cartesian plane. Now see the points. X is -2, 3, -3, -3 and +3. The range of x is -3 and +3. Now testing the range of y. Y is 4, -1, 0, 2, -5. -5 and 4. The range of y is -5 and 4. So we will take x and y axis both are 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. These are the 5, 5. Now denote on y axis. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now minus side, -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. So this is our graph in Cartesian plane. Now locating point A. -2, x is equal to -2, x is equal to -2, y is equal to 4, y is equal to 4. So this is 2, -2 and 4. This is the line of -2, this is the line of 4. Here is point A, -2, 4. Now second one, B. X is equal to 3, y is equal to -1. X is equal to 3, y is equal to -1. Here point B, 3 minus 1. Point C. X is equal to -1, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. The y is equal to, here is 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. So here is 0 and x is -1, x is -1. So point is here, point C, -1 and 0. Now we locating point D. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. X is 1, y is 2. X is 1, y is 2. X is 1, y is 2. Here point D, 1, 2. Now point E. X is -3. X is -3. Y is -5. -5. So here point E, minus 3, minus 5. Here is quadrant first, quadrant second, quadrant third, and quadrant fourth. In first quadrant, point D. First quadrant, point D. In second quadrant, point A. Second quadrant, point A. In third quadrant, point E. In third one, point E. In fourth, point B. Fourth, point B. This is x-axis. This is x-axis. C point on x-axis. X-axis, point C. Here is y-axis. No any point on y-axis. No any given point on y-axis. So this is our answer. Let's take beginning from this question. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points are lie? Verify your answer by locating them on Cartesian plane. First of all, given points. We will name these points point A, point B, point C, point D and point E. There are the 5 points. Now, we know that in first quadrant, the sign of coordinates are plus plus. The sign of coordinate are plus plus. In second quadrant, minus plus. In third quadrant, minus minus. In fourth quadrant, plus minus. So, for first quadrant, we are looking plus plus. No, 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 yes. This is plus plus. So, point D in first quadrant. Now, looking for minus plus. Here is minus plus. Taking no, 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 no. There are only single point in minus plus. Now, looking for minus minus. No, 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 yes. These both are minus minus. So, point E, minus minus. Now, looking for plus minus, plus minus. This one, plus and minus, point B. These are the points in quadrant. Now, which point on x-axis and y-axis? For looking a point on x-axis when coordinate of y is equal to 0. We having a point x comma y, there y is 0. In the point y is 0, then point lie on x-axis. Searching for y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 0. Here is y is equal to 0. So, point C on x-axis. Looking for point on y-axis when coordinate of point x is equal to 0, then point lie on y-axis. Finding for x is equal to 0. Minus 2, 3, minus 1, 1, minus 3. There are not x is equal to 0. So, no any given point lie on y-axis. Now, verify the answer by Cartesian plane. Here is y dash, x dash. In x side, the positive value x dash, negative value. In y, positive value y dash, negative values. These are the over Cartesian plane. Now, locating. Any point is written in form of x comma y. Any point is written in x comma y. Now, point A. X is minus 2, y is 4. X is minus 2. X is minus 2. Y is 4. Y is 4. The intersection of them. Point A. X is 3, y is minus 1. X is 3. Here x is 3. Y is minus 1. Y is minus 1. 3 and minus 1. Here is point B. Point C. X is minus 1. Y is 0. Y. In this y, here is 0. Now, x is minus 1. X is minus 1. So, here is point C. Point D. X is 1. Y is 2. X is 1. Y is 2. Here, intersection of them. D point. 1, 2. X is minus 3. Y is minus 5. X minus 3. Y minus 5. Intersection of them. Point E. This is quadrant first, second, third and fourth. In quadrant first, point D. First point D, second point A, second point A, third point E, third point E, fourth point B, fourth point B. X-axis, this is our x-axis, here is point C, and on x-axis point C, x-axis point C. Here is y-axis, there are no any point, there are no any given point on y-axis. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 2. Plot the points x, y given in the following table on the plane, choosing the suitable units of distance on the axis. First of all, here is given a table. X is equal to -2, y is equal to 8. The pair of x and y is point A. First of all, points given in table, point A, -2 and 8, -2 and 8, x and y. This is pair called point A, this pair called point B. Point B, -1, 7. Now point C, 0, -1.25. Now point D, 1, 3. Point E, 3, -1, 3, -1. Point A is -2 and 8, B is -1, 7, C is 0, -1.25, D is 1 and 3, E is 3, -1. These are the points. Now we will locating these points on Cartesian plane with suitable distance. First of all, we will draw the two lines, x dash, y dash. X is 3 and -2, y is 8 -1. So we have to denote 8. So we will take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Here are the 8 unit. We will denote 8 centimeter. So first of all, scale. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, and y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now this is our origin, 0 point. Take scale here and write down the dots on each centimeter. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will put here a scale from 0. We will put scale here from 0 and mark the each centimeter. 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now put the scale at here 0 and mark the each centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, naming here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Now put the scale here at 0 and mark each centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now put the scale at 0 on this line and mark each centimeter. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8 -9. So this is our scale. Now point A, x is -2, y is 8. X is -2, x is -2, y is 8, y is 8 here. X is -2, so draw a dotted line, and y is 8, draw a dotted line here. Point A, -2 8, -2 8. Point B, -1 7, x is -1, x is -1, y is 7, y is 7. Taking a line and here, x is -1, y is 7, here is point B, -1 7. Now point C, x is 0, the x is 0, y is 1.25, here is 1 and here is 2 centimeter. Now we will measure 1.25, so put the scale here at 0, measure, here is 1 centimeter, and after this there are the lines on our scale. Here is 1 and here is 2, here is a line, but here 1 2 3 4 lines, and here 1 2 3 4 lines. 1 and 2, there are the 10 lines. So this is 1. First line is I will enlarge this diagram. I take large scale. Here is 1, here is 2, and here is a line. The 4 lines between them, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. There are total 10 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the first point is 1.1. okay, then 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9 and 2.0. We will denote 1.25. Here is 1.2 and 1.3. The middle part of this is 1.25. Now point C, 4 C, x is 0, y is -1.25. Taking a scale here and measure -1.25. Put scale here on scale 1 and 2. Here are the small line 1.1 and 1.2, 1.3. The point are between them, 1.25. So our point is here, the point is C, point C, 0 -1.25. This is the point. Now taking point D, 1 and 3. X is 1, y is 3. X is 1, y is 3, y is 3. Both are positive. X plus 1, y plus 3. So we will denote point here, point D, 1 and 3. Now for point E, x is 3, y is -1. X is 3 and y is -1. Y is -1. 3 -1. Here here is the point E, 3 and -1. Let's take beginning from this question. Plot the point x, y given the following table on the plane, choosing the suitable units of distance. Here is a table. The first pair of x, y is point A, point B, point C, point D and point E. So points given in table, point A, B, C, D and E. These are the points. Now draw a xy plane with suitable distance. The suitable distance, x having highest value 3 and y having highest value of 8. So we will take scale. On x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. We draw two lines. Now put the scale at 0. Mark each centimeter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put the scale at this 0. Now mark each centimeter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the minus. Now put scale here on 0. Mark each centimeter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now put scale at here and mark each centimeter 1, 2, 3, 4. This. Now point A. X is -2, y is 8. X is -2, x is -2, y is 8, y is 8. The two lines intersecting, the point is here. B. X is -1, y is 7. X is -1, x is -1, y is 7. Here the point B. Now point C. X is 0. X is 0. Here is 0 and y is -1.25. Y -1. Put scale here between 2 and 3. Small lines 1 and 2. The small lines are here 1, 2, 3. Between 2 and 3 the point is 1.25. 1.25. So mark here 1, 0 and -1.25. So point C, at point C, y is -1.25, C at x-axis, this is 0. So here is point C. Now point D, 1 and 3, x is 1, x is 1, y is 3, here is point D. Point E, x is 3, x is 3, y is -1, y is -1, 3 and -1. So here is point E. This is our final answer. You can take a screenshot of this. The next exercise will be taken in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.